Good morning. Today's project is chicken salad. I love chicken salad, duck salad, turkey salad, tuna salad, all kind of cold salads, potato salad. I love it all. So we're going to start off with 2 cups of chopped chicken of your choice, dark or white meat. In this particular project, I'm using all dark meat left over from processing my chicken thighs and legs the other day, the chicken quarters. So this is dark meat from the legs. So we've got 2 cups of chicken, 2 tablespoons of diced onion, yellow or white of your choice, 1 stalk of celery. This is 1/4 inch chop or less, okay? It's not real rough. This is 1 tablespoon of scallion tops out of the garden this morning, fresh. Adds a little bit of color. This is something I haven't done before. Capers. Just because I have them on hand, I thought I'd give it a try. Just plain old salted Italian capers. 1 teaspoon. Give it a try. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. This is something else I did different. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of pickle relish. Well, my grandson loves hamburger dill slices. So on another project, I chopped a bunch of these up, and I like this better than the store-bought processed dill. This is hamburger dill chips. So that's 2 tablespoons of dill pickles, hamburger style. 1/2 teaspoon brown spicy mustard, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard. One-half teaspoon dried dill, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed. Now I gotta read my notes. Okay, let's combine this up. Now I like mayonnaise. The recipe calls for 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Well, to me, that's a starting point. That's a starting point. 1/2 cup Duke's mayonnaise. I like this little gadget right here. That's pretty slick. You ought to get you one of these. Stir this up. Now, if you were going right by the recipe, we'd be done. Well, almost. I like mayonnaise. So you could add this to a sandwich, put it on a Ritz cracker, because everything's better when it sits on the Ritz. A side dish, however you like your chicken salad, that's fine with you. Okay, I'm going to add another 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, because I like mayonnaise. And you taste it. If it needs more salt, pepper, whatever, now's the time to add it. Maybe even 2. Alright, this is 2 hard-boiled eggs. The recipe calls for 1. I like hard-boiled eggs in all my salads. Potato salad, tuna salad, ham salad. I like to throw in some hard-boiled eggs. And you gently fold this in. I try not to break up the yolk or leave it for color, but that's almost impossible. So 2 boiled eggs. Okay, let's give it a taste here. Oh, that's good. That is good. I'm going to add just a little bit more black pepper. I like black pepper. And I'm going to add some seasoned salt. I usually use kosher salt, but since I've got this on hand, why not? Another 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt. That should do it. Almost forgot. I've got a bunch of diced sweet bell pepper in the freezer. Red, yellow, green. So since I've got it on hand, why not? Totally optional, boys and girls. It's your salad. Do what you want to do. This is a guideline. Everything I make, all the recipes, are totally guidelines. You adjust it to suit your palate. Alright, this is done. Now we're going to put this in the ice box, let it chill for, probably a couple, 3-4 hours. Then I'll put it in a Tupperware container. I'm going to get me some iceberg lettuce, a couple of slices of ripe tomato, and make this a meal. This will be my lunch. Alright. Now see, it's not real soupy. So you add however much mayonnaise you like. I may add just a little bit more. I love my mayonnaise. Oh, that's good. That is really good. Chicken salad. Okay, it's been a couple of hours and I haven't had lunch yet, so I think this will be my lunch. So this is chicken salad, a little bit of garnish on it. But I think this is enough for maybe 3 meals for me, or a couple of heavy-duty snacks. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. I really appreciate it. I should take a course in food photography. What do you think?